Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another gaming setup video. So as you guys can see, I got a new keyboard and a new mouse pad. So I'll be going over those things and other stuffs as well. So first, let's get to my monitors. So this is my monitor for my PS5. It's an Asus VG27BQ 165Hz 27-inch monitor. And this monitor is for my PC. Also, I use my PC for editing my videos, guys. I literally run 30 FPS for Fortnite on this PC. So don't think that I play on PC. I literally have a PS5 over here. And use code SmurXz, by the way. This is a 60Hz Samsung monitor. Okay, now we'll be going over my keyboards. So I recently got this. It's a SteelSeries Apex Pro TKO, guys. Literally the best keyboard right now. Literally every pros are using this keyboard right now, guys. And this is my GK61. This is my old keyboard. I miss this keyboard so much, but I just had to let you go, man. And now we'll be going over my mouses. Alright, so this mouse is what I play Fortnite on. It's a Razer Viper Mini. It's really small. I recommend this for people that have small hands, just like me. And this mouse is for my PC. It's a Logitech G502 Hero. Alright, so this is my PS5, guys. Like, yeah, my PS5. You guys can see it right there. And this is my controller. And this is my microphone. It's a HyperX Quadcast microphone. Oh yeah, and this is my mouse pad. It's really dope, guys. You guys should get this. It looks very cool. And also, guys, I'll leave all these things in the link in the description. So make sure to go check that if you want to buy anything. And yeah, these are the LED lights right now. On the back of the monitors. Around the table over here. As you guys can see. Oh, I also forgot. My holy water, bro. My holy water. Guys, you need this. Okay, what is that? Okay, but you need this, guys. Stay hydrated while you guys are gaming. You guys definitely need this to be cracked at Fortnite. So yeah.
What?
And also, a lot of people think I'm good at Fortnite because I have a good gaming chair. But I just have a normal office chair. It's very comfortable. And yeah, I don't have a gaming chair. So I'm just cracked at Fortnite, you know? I'm just cracked naturally.
Boy, if you don't get...
So yeah, that was my settings. So yeah, that was my setup video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment other video ideas, you know. Yeah, and peace out.